Hi everyone, my name is Ronaldo at from VS Screen 3D. We are going to discuss the similarities and differences between RA 9344 and Juvenile Delinquency Prevention Act. So first is the different meaning of RA 9344 and JDPA. What is RA 9344? Adopted on 20 May 2006 and amended in 2013. RA 9344 or the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act promotes the creation of child-friendly justice system focused on rehabilitation and restoration rather than punishment. It upholds the basic principle that a child must not be treated as an adult as enshrined in the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, signed and ratified by the Philippines. The child, by reason of his physical and mental immaturity, needs special safeguards and care, including appropriate legal protection before as well as after birth. And next, Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act of USA, established in 1974 and most recently authorized in 2018 with bipartisan support. The Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act is based on a broad consensus that children, youth, and families involved with the juvenile and criminal courts should be guarded by federal standards for care and custody, while also upholding the interests of community safety and the prevention of victimization. Juvenile Justice Delinquency Prevention Act provides for a nation juvenile justice planning and advisory system spanning all state, territories, and the District of Columbia. Next, federal funding for delinquency prevention and improvements in state and local juvenile justice program and practices. Next, the operation of a federal agency, the Office of Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention, which is dedicated to training, technical assistance, model programs, and research and evaluation to support state and local efforts. Similarities between RA 9344 and Juvenile Justice Delinquency Prevention Act. Both Republic Act No. 9344, the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006 in the Philippines, and the Juvenile Delinquency Prevention Act JDPA in the United States are legislative frameworks designed to address issue of juvenile delinquency while focusing on the rehabilitation and reintegration